Creating a portfolio website on Squarespace is a simple and effective way to showcase your work. Here's how to do it. Sign up for Squarespace. Go to the Squarespace website and create an account. Choose a plan that fits your needs, whether for personal use or business. Choose a template. Browse through Squarespace's collection of templates, specifically designed for portfolios. Select a template that resonates with your style, then click Start with this design. Customize your site. Access the design section to personalize your website's look. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand identity. Add portfolio pages. Go to the Pages section and create a new page for your portfolio. Use the gallery or portfolio blocks to showcase your work. Upload images or videos, and include titles and descriptions for each project. Create additional pages. Add more pages like About, Services, and Contact to provide visitors with more information about you. Optimize for SEO. In the Settings section, fill in SEO titles and descriptions to enhance visibility in search engines. Publish and promote. Once you're satisfied with your site, click Publish to make it live. Share the link on social media to reach a broader audience.